Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ritare Ike, and in today's video I'll be showing how I made this yummy chin chin. If you're interested, why don't you stick around? I also want to take a moment to thank my old subscribers and the new ones. Thank you for joining the family. After giving the mixture from dry ingredients to wet, a very good mix, I'll be checking to see if the dough is ready. I'll cut some of the dough and then pull them apart, and if it cuts immediately, that's a sign that the dough is ready. Now we'll be moving on to the next step, which is rolling out the dough, cutting them into the shapes and sizes that we want the chin chin to be fried in. Keep watching. Thank you. Now I'll go ahead to dust my workstation in order not to have the dough sticking to the workstation. I will also be dusting my rolling pin as well so that I can have a clean cord and roll out the dough neatly. Now go ahead and sprinkle some flowers on the tray and sprinkle some flowers on the dough as well. This will prevent the dough from sticking to each other and it will fry and come out nicely. I usually give my chinchin a good stir once it's poured into the frying pan in order to avoid them from sticking together. Lastly, I'll be spreading the chinchin on the tray in order for it to get some air and be crunchy. And then I like my chinchin very crunchy. I usually leave it out for a day or two. Yes, this is our end result. You can see how beautiful the chinchin is after leaving it out for 2 days, and you can hear the sound from the crunchiness. All right, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also tell a friend to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, and see you next time.